Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean junks and temp files from your PC. So let's get started. So simply goes to start button, right click on it and click on run. Now search here Prefetch. Click on continue. Now select all the files, right click on it and click on delete. There are some files that cannot be deleted, so simply click on skip. Again go to start button, right click on it, click on run. Now type here recent, click on OK, select all the files. Again right click on start button, click on run. Type here temp, click on OK, click on continue. Now select all the files, right click on it and click on delete. Again now type here percentage temp, percentage, click on OK, select all the files, click on delete, click on skip. Now close all the tabs, search here disk, clean up the, click on OK, click on OK. Now again come to search bar, type here internet options. In general, simply click on delete. Simply select these four and click on delete and click on apply and click on OK. After doing this process, restart your PC. By doing this process, your problem will be fixed. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.